Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how we can retrieve the match records and unmatched records from two sheets or from the data table. Now if you see here, I am having a sheet 1 and 2, where in sheet 1 I am having this data with the columns name, age and car, where the data is John, Mark, Peter. In sheet 2 I'm having a similar columns, but the difference is I'm having some of the data which is matched in sheet 1 and some of the data is not present. So if you see here, John and Mark, it is present here, but Peter is not present. So this is matched data basically, and this is unmatched data. Now how exactly I can retrieve this and put it into the new Excel file? For this I have used Excel application scope, where I have given the path of the input file, which is test.xlsx. I am reading both the sheet one by one and holding its data in DT1 and DT2. Now moving forward, I have used the join data table activity, which you can find it from the activity panel by typing join. Now you have to drag drop here and you have to click on join wizard. And now you have to pass the DT1 here and DT2 here, and you have to create one more variable where I have created with the name DT matched result. In join type, you can select the inner, and there are two more options as left and full, but right now we require the inner join. So I have given the column of table 1. Table 1 means the DT1. I have given the column name of DT2, which is DT2, and I have given the operation as equals to, because I want the record of table 1 to be matched with the table 2, only those records to be retrieved. Similar way, I have used one more join data table activities for unmatched results, where DT1, DT2 I have passed here. Similarly, I have cleared one variable with DT unmatched records. I have used here left join for now. I have given the column names and the operation is equal. Now just ignore the commented part for now. Now I have used the Excel application scope here, where right range I have used to put it back the DT match result, and right range I have used again for sheet 2 to put it DT unmatched result into sheet 2 basically. And now if I run this particular sequence, you can see the output. So if you see in sheet 1, which is for matched records, it just picked the columns from the DT1 and DT2 also. So this is the match record from the both data tables. Similar way in sheet 2, if you see, this is something what we don't require. We want that Peter should be come out, but if you see here, it is a left join. So what the left join will do, it will going to pick all the data from sheet 1 and whichever data in the sheet 2, and if it is the data which is in the sheet 1 but not in sheet 2, it will mark as empty. So I need some improvement here. So for this, what I had done first is, the first thing that I really want is to remove these extra columns, because I don't want these columns. I want the columns which are present in the sheet 1 only. For that, I'm uncommenting this part. So this is nothing but a filter data table, where you can find it with a similar name in the activity panel. Just click on configure filter, pass here the, okay, just sorry for it. Before moving to this part, I have to show the match records. Okay, so just after the join data tables, which is for matched records, use filter data table activity, click on configure, pass the DT match results here, I'm putting the output in the same data table, which is dt match results. I'm not creating a new variable for it. Now I want the names which is not empty, because for me the name is a unique identifier. For you it can be the id also. And if I click in the output columns, if you see here, I have removed the name underscore one, age, car. I don't want these columns to be reflected, so I removed these. Now I am having a fresh data in dt match result where I don't have these columns but only the name, age and car, and the data where the name is not empty. So I have configured this now. Now I have to do some changes for unmatched also. Similar way, you have to use the filter data table for unmatched records also. Pass the dt unmatched result. You can hold in the same variable also, dt unmatched results. In the filter rows, I have given as name underscore is empty. If it is empty in the basically in the data, if it is empty, name underscore one, I have to retrieve only those records. Why I have used this? If you see the output, the older output, you see here, this is the record that we only wants to print out, because this is the Peter is the record which is not present in the sheet 2. So I just want this. So if you see here, here the name is empty, so I have used the condition where the name is empty, only have to pick that data. And similar way in the output columns, I have removed these columns, name underscore one, age and car. Now if I run this particular sequence again, and if I open the output, you can see here, sorry, I have to remove this because these columns are already holding the values. Let me remove it, let me run it again. Now if I see the output in the sheet 1, you see the John and Mark. We were looking for this output, which is perfect, and in sheet 2 we are having the Peter. So this is basically a match record and this is unmatched record. So I hope you liked my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment on it. And yes, there are many ways to do it, but as the UiPath is giving the activities for it, so I have preferred to use these activities and create a video on these. So thanks for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.